Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fix your verification failed issue on your Binance application. So I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically, when you're creating an account and after you create your account, you need to verify it in order to receive, send or sell Bitcoin on your Binance. In case you're not able to verify your account, then there might be several reasons why you're not able to verify your account. Now the first reason why you're not able to verify your account might be the internet connection. Now while you're uploading a document or while you're trying to verify your account, maybe you have a slow internet connection. That might be one of the major reasons why you're not able to verify your Binance account. So the other reason might be that you might have not posted or uploaded a clear picture of your documents, and while you're verifying your account, you need to provide your state ID or your driving license or your passport in order to verify it. If the picture uploaded is not cleared or it is blurred, then it might be the reason why you're not able to verify it, because of the unclear picture of your documents. Now make sure to check your document, and after that you can make some changes. So in order to make changes, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon in the top right, and as you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear, and from the list you need to tap on identification, and as you click on it, next interface you'll be able to see your basic info, and just next to personal detail there is an option as verify. Now in order to verify, first of all you need to click on this option, and then you have to wait for some times, maybe hour or a day, and after that you'll be notified whether the account has been verified or they are not able to process with the verification. Now in case you have an option as unverified, then as I've mentioned before that you need to make sure to check your internet connection and then the pictures of your documents. In case you have a stable internet connection and the photos or the image that you've uploaded of your documents are all clear, then the other thing what you can do is you can change your document. As already mentioned, in order to verify, you can either use a state ID, driving license or your passport. In some countries they do not accept your identification of your state ID or a driving license, so instead of providing your driving license or your state ID, in order to get a guaranteed result, what you can do is you can simply upload your passport or the information that is on your passport, and after that you might be able to verify account. In case if you're still facing issues, then what you can do is you can simply contact the customer service itself, and after that you'll be instructed about the issue. And those are the few methods on how you can fix Binance verification failed issue on your device, and that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.